Hey, I'm back for another update on the powdery mildew, and I did one application with the baking soda and peroxide, and it looks like it's doing one hell of a job with just one application. You can see how all these white spots were just that, they were really white and now they're all turning brown. There's some leaves that are just curling up, and that just recently started that today. As a matter of fact, we got a lot of rain yesterday and last night. It rained all day, but it seems to be working pretty well. You can see all the white spots are brown now, pretty much. I can see I'm gonna have to do another application, but it seems like it's working. You can see on my cucumbers, you can see where I sprayed it. It's interesting. Some of these leaves I'm going to cut off just for the fact they need to go. It's getting late in the season now, but it looks like I have stopped the migration of powdery mildew, and that's what I was looking for. Now I'll just cut back all these leaves that are turning brown and what have you, and kind of go from there. And you know, the whole purpose of applying that product is to stop it from migrating and kind of eradicate the whole powdery mildew, and it looks like it's doing its job in just one application. So I just thought I'd share that. Otherwise, if I wouldn't have sprayed this, these leaves would have it would have got really bad, I would imagine. But I sprayed the whole plant, and cucumbers are still, everything looking good. There's one coming in there, there's one up there, there's two of them up there. You can see them. There's three, there's four. I see another one in the background. There's five, and this thing's just still growing and still producing. Got some really big ones in the background there I need to pick. One up in there. But yeah, I need to start going through here and trimming out some of the old leaves. Some new foliage kick in here. Starting to get some red ripened tomatoes as well. I got my fourth cage up now. This tomato's 9 foot tall, and with all that rain, I want you to learn from my mistakes. I had a branch that broke off. Look at that right there. Got so top heavy, all that rain. This is a lot of weight right here with all these banana peppers on here, but yeah, it's a shame, man. It broke off. So be a good idea to cage all your plants so you don't have stuff like that going on. Right. Cucumbers hanging there. Come around the backside. Stand back so you can get a perspective. But it's a 6 foot ladder, and you can see my tomato plants. Another ripe one coming in. It's awesome. Go to the back side though. Aromas. This poor aroma is doing well, but it's getting blocked out from these monsters here. It's not getting the sun it needs. It's still growing though. I'll get a better shot up here. You can see I treated this whole plant. See all those spots turn brown. One application. I'll pick one of these. Here we go. Look at that baby. Another one. Another one. One up in there too. Another one in there. Another one. So yeah, anyways, that one application with the peroxide and baking soda seemed to work. Stop the migration of the powdery mildew, and I can move forward. All those jalapenos, habaneros, and I tell you what, these peppers are flipping hot, man. It is no joke. Nice bell peppers on there. A whole bunch more. All right, guys, have a good day.